This is the WordPress MCP AI agent gateway governance. For the plugin, we have made this plugin. So you can privilege all options: authentication, rate hash, send, rate limit, webhook, policy engine, built-in content, everything at a time you can handle from the single plugin. And also the setting is here. This is the admin dashboard of the plugin. When you click the dashboard, this is the live showing the pending approval, call today, how much call, everything you can control, showing in the dashboard in the last 30 days, most call tools, also the read only, reversible and destructive approved, everything you can check it. And your MCP endpoint is this authentication, also the authorization where the token of from here, also active agent is one, and everything from here. So the approval queue, what actually approved, all showing, activity log, all are showing here, policy, here is all policy showing here, also tools available, all tools you can see, touch zero, read post, create post, update post, publish post, delete post, manage term, list, comment, approve comment, spam comment, delete comment, list media, read media, upload media. So everything what we handle in the WordPress. So update option, read option, get site info, list plugin, manage plugin, and checkpoint. Also the setting you can put in the setting, kill switch, everything in the setting you can handle from here. Then the plugin, manage the plugin, you can manage it. And setup wizard is this. In the setup wizard, just put out of the data my first like the label. Also after create this, showing the API from you, then you can use the API and handle from the anything on others. As the AI agent, you can handle your WordPress website.